Hi there, I'm Nicole, and I'm going to show you how to navigate our extensive library of teacher resources. We have thousands of lesson plans, activities, and templates to choose from. If you're short on time and looking for ready-to-go lessons with activities, click on Lesson Plans. Here you'll find resources categorized by subject, making it easy to browse student-led activities that work perfectly for both formative and summative assessments. Let's dive further into our lesson plans. I'm going to look at some social emotional learning lessons. I want to assign this color wheel of emotions. Here I can see the lesson plan overview. If you scroll down, there's some FAQs that may help you plan your lesson and set the students up for success. I can click Copy Activity when I'm ready to use this. Let's head back to the main teacher resources page. You'll also find an extensive collection of worksheets and posters that are fully editable and print ready. Take our periodic table, for example. We have several beautiful versions ready to go, but you can also make them your own. Want to add a custom character that looks just like you for your students? You can do that. It's all about making these resources fit your unique classroom personality. Another fantastic resource is our template library. These are perfect for browsing when you need a specific layout to add to an existing assignment. For example, if you need students to create a T-chart, you can use it for comparisons, or if you're looking for layouts to organize information about historical figures and literary characters, this is the place to be. Once you find a template you like, you just click Copy Template. This will take you directly into the Storyboard Creator, where you can make any adjustments you need to fit your lesson perfectly. If you scroll down further on the main page, you'll find our educational articles for teachers. These are a goldmine for inspiration, showing you creative ways to use Storyboard that across every subject. For instance, let's look at storyboarding tips. I'm going to click on Make a GIF. This article walks you through different ways to turn storyboards into custom animations. It's an incredible way to engage older students and add a dynamic, modern twist to their projects. Lastly, let's look at our video lesson plans. We kept these broad on purpose because we know no two classrooms are the same. You can easily customize them to fit your style. A great way to use these video lesson plans is to show the video first to set the stage. The videos also help define the goals for the students. Then you can jump into the assignment, where we provide templates to help students creating immediately. A personal favorite is the visual vocabulary lesson. Whether you pick the words or let your students choose their own, the heavy lifting is done for you. There's a pre-made 5-minute video that walks them through the instructions and gets them started, so you can step back and let their creativity take over. That covers our teacher resources page. We hope these tools save you time and spark some serious creativity. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.